Whatever game you're playing, it won't work. You can't defeat me.
No, I know. But he can.
Hey everyone, Mario here. In this video, we're gonna go over the analysis of price action on S&P 500 or SPY ETF today. And we are also gonna cover the price action on the trade callout which we gave out on the Discord today on Plug. Without further ado, let's get started. Before that, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, join the Patreon, the link is down below in the description. So we are taking a look at 5-minute charts in SPY, and what we are going to do is we're going to compare it to the notes which we sent out today morning, and we're going to see if the price action respected the numbers which we sent out or not. And we're also going to analyze what might happen tomorrow in the wake of a terrible earnings which we got from the earnings after hours. But first, let's go over the notes. In the morning, we had two numbers to watch. 435.60 to the downside and 440 to the upside. I was clear that if you are bearish, you want SPY to break below 435.60 in order to see any more downside prices to come. If you are a bull, you want SPY to break above 440, and once we take out 440, it's bull time. And she's going to rip all the way to 442.53 or 444.87. That will be in cards. And now, let's see what happened. They did a floater operation for the first 10 minutes and they went up to run a test to $440. They got rejected, recocked the weapon, and then exactly at 9:50, that's when we got the green light for the bulls. We broke above 440. Once the 440 is broken, we know what the next levels are. She's going to go all the way to run a test to 442.53. Guess what happened? We went all the way up, got rejected at 442.53. Well, I wouldn't call it rejection, but that's the price zone where the price gets attracted to. We went all the way to 442.53, went lower, recocked the weapon again, and then shot right back up. So we did a floater operation for a while and then came back down to run a test to 442.53, held, and then went all the way up to where? 444.85. The next number to watch is 445.87. Guess what's the highest of the day was? 445.79. And that's the numbers which we gave out today morning. So let's go over again. We had two numbers on cards. 435.60 to the downside and 444.89 to the upside. What is the close in SPY today? $445. Fell 20 cents short, but numbers work. In the after hours, we are having some goose operation going on where the Netflix shares stumble like 20% down south. So that is dragging down the S&P 500 and NASDAQ along with it. So we are in an earnings season. So if any of those big cap companies which is trading under FANG disappoints, we might see some whipsaw actions in upcoming days. So leading into tomorrow's trading session, we got to keep an eye on a few numbers below. 442.53, 439.96. Up north, we are looking at a gap fill all the way above 447.95. But by the way the after hours is looking right now, it is much possible for us to come back down, run a test to 442.53, and then take it higher from there. So, as usual, members of the Patreon and members of the Discord will have early access to the numbers in the morning before the market session. If you're interested, go ahead, join the Patreon, join the Discord for more information. So now let's go over some of the trades which we took on our server today, and here we go. So we gave out a trade idea on Plug today morning to the members of the Discord and the Patreon. So let's go over the price action and let's see how it went. We gave out two numbers. We gave out two entries. Entry number one is $27.25 and entry number two is $26.19. Let's take a look at the 5-minute charts and see how things unfolded. So at the market open, as you can see, 27.25 is pretty important. They did open below it and they flushed down immediately. The target one which we have over here, 27.25, is taken out. Now we're looking at the second target, which was at $26.19. If you notice, we didn't go there quite yet. We fell short by 20 cents and then they started to bounce higher. Some members of the Discord or Patreon still took this trade and rode it all the way up to $27.25. They did a floater operation for a while, went down, recocked the weapon, and then shot right above the strong resistance at $27.25. They went back higher, came back down, retested the same level, and then took right off to $28.30. We had our target at $28.42. I asked most of the members to start scaling out when plug power breached $28, and then most of the members got out when the plug power reached $28.30. So this was a good trade. We had our stops at $26, as you can see, stops at close below 26. We never gave a chance to close anywhere near 26 today. Technically, we are risking 23 cents in order to make a profit for $3. So this is a really good trade, and we had a massive $3 move or $2 move to the upside, depending on where you took it. What's the takeaway from this? Numbers work, knowing the price action pays. This was the trade which was called out on the Discord server and the Patreon today morning at 9 o'clock. If you guys are interested, go ahead, join the Patreon and join the Discord. The link is down below in the description. If you guys like the content and want to see more of these types of technical analysis on SPY and the trades which we take on a daily basis, like, subscribe, and comment your stock picks which you're watching for tomorrow's session. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.